Hi everyone! In this video, I'll quickly show you how to export your full website wireframe sitemap in under 2 minutes. We've already created wireframe pages for an education website, neatly organized into folders, where each folder represents a section of the site. You can explore your sitemap in 3 views: Grid View to see all pages at once, Map View for the full structure, and Workflow View to track progress. To download the sitemap, go to the Map view where you can see the complete hierarchy of all your pages. Then click on Export and select Download, and your sitemap will be ready in just a few seconds. Try this out on your own projects and see how quickly you can get a complete sitemap ready. More quick workflows coming up in the next video.